Your tablet's newly updated workshop tools now delivers expanded coverage, enhanced functionality, and more know-how than ever before. And, getting the job done has never been easier. Services are now categorized into resets, relearns, routines, calibrations, and inspections, making it simple to find the right service. The Occupant seat sensor calibration helps reset or calibrate the vehicle's seat weight sensors. Perform this function after replacing or repairing any of the sensors and related components, or after a seat service routine. This is important to ensure that the system will appropriately deploy the airbags in the event of an accident. Simply follow the provided vehicle-specific prompts to complete the process. Please visit us at Innova.com to learn more.
Find the problem, fix the problem.